Hey there, fellow Mythbusters and QA enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wild world of GUI testing. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, and it's everything you see and interact with on your screen when using an app or website. GUI testing ensures this interface works perfectly. Think of it as a health checkup for your app. We're talking buttons that respond, readable text, and user-friendly layouts. It's the first line of defense against buggy software. Imagine defusing a bomb, but the cut wire button doesn't work. That's a GUI fail. GUI testing catches these issues before they explode. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about usability and creating a smooth, intuitive experience. If users can't figure out your app, its features don't matter. A well-tested GUI is crucial for user satisfaction. So let's dive in and make sure your app is up to the challenge. All right, let's talk visual design. Visual design in GUI testing checks layout, colors, fonts, images, and icons. Layout first, everything should be in its place. No floating buttons or overlapping elements. Think of it like arranging furniture in a room. Next, colors and fonts. It's about readability and brand consistency. Your app shouldn't look like a rainbow explosion. Fonts should be legible for everyone. Images and icons are crucial. They need to be clear, relevant, and not pixelated. Icons should be intuitive, a cloud for save, not a floppy disk. In GUI, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Good visual design enhances user experience. It makes your app not just functional, but enjoyable. Let's make sure your app looks as good as it works. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty functionality. We test every interactive element in the GUI. Buttons need to do what they say. A submit button should submit, a cancel button should cancel. They should respond to clicks and have appropriate states. Links need to work and open in the right place. Broken links are frustrating. Input fields should accept the right data and validate correctly. Required fields should be clearly marked. Menus are the navigation systems. Drop-down menus should work smoothly. Hamburger menus should expand and collapse easily. Nested menus should be easy to navigate. A confused user is an unhappy user. Functionality testing ensures everything works as it should. It prevents user frustration. Let's make sure your app is reliable and user-friendly. Good functionality is key to a successful GUI. It's about creating a seamless user experience. Let's test and refine until everything works perfectly. Your users will thank you for it, and your app will shine. Ensuring everything works as it should is crucial for user satisfaction. Section 4. Usability, creating a smooth user experience. Usability testing ensures your GUI is pleasant and intuitive. Clear menus and logical hierarchies are essential. Clicks should have immediate feedback. Scrolling should be smooth. User feedback is important. Error messages should be clear and helpful. User flow should be smooth and logical. Let's test and refine until your app is a joy to navigate. Usability is key to user satisfaction. Let's make sure your app is intuitive and enjoyable. Section 5. Compatibility. One size fits all. Compatibility ensures your GUI works everywhere. It looks good in all major browsers. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Internet Explorer. Cross-platform testing on Windows, macOS, Linux, device testing on smartphones, tablets, smart TVs. Different screen sizes and resolutions. Compatibility testing ensures your GUI works everywhere, creating a consistent experience. Compatibility is key to reaching a wide audience. Test and refine until your app works perfectly. Let's make sure your app is ready for anything, creating a seamless experience for all users. No matter how users interact with it, your users will appreciate it. Section 6. Accessibility and performance, the final frontier. Accessibility ensures your GUI can be used by everyone. Keyboard navigation is essential. All functions should be accessible via keyboard. Screen readers need to work well with your GUI. Clear and accurate descriptions of all elements. Color contrast is crucial for readability. Performance ensures that your GUI runs smoothly. Load times should be fast. Test on different devices and network conditions. Not everyone has fast internet. Your app should work well on slower connections. Accessibility and performance are crucial for user satisfaction. Let's make sure your app is accessible to all users and runs smoothly on all devices. Accessibility and performance testing ensure a great user experience. It's about creating an app that's inclusive and efficient. Let's test and refine until your app is perfect. A well-performing app is a successful app. Let's make sure your app is ready for anything. Accessibility and performance are key to user satisfaction. Let's make sure your app is inclusive and reliable. Your users will appreciate it and your app will be a success.